A virtual assistant can get you amazing results for your business, but only if you find the right one and have an effective management process in place. Hiring a virtual assistant isn't always as easy as one may think, and finding the right person for the role is crucial. Before you embark on your recruitment drive, start shortlisting and scheduling interviews into your calendar. Let's go back to basics first and find out what are virtual assistants and where to find them. Sounds like a movie title, right? Hi, I'm Ozzy from Online Seller Circle, where we provide help and support to online business owners. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release new videos. And now, let's get down to business. As of late, there have been numerous businesses that have shifted from face-to-face to virtual work setups. Additionally, there is a massive increase of online businesses starting up. With this, a lot of virtual assistant job opportunities open. It's great since a lot of people are able to adapt to the so-called new normal. Having said all of these, there are still some e-commerce business owners who are not aware what virtual assistants are, more so where to find them. First, let's define virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, or VAs, are contractual employees an e-commerce business owner hires to help them on certain aspects of their business. VAs can have short-term, long-term, or even project-based only contracts. VAs also have different specializations such as admin work, product sourcing, appointment setting, and social media management, to name a few. It's an e-commerce business owner's job to identify which aspect of their business they need the help the most, then hire the right VA to do the job. Now that we've identified what virtual assistants are, let's now talk about where to find them. First is Facebook groups. With the rise of social media comes the access to different types of online communities. There are online groups for hobbies, celebrity fan bases, sports, and even job hunting or recruiting groups. Facebook is one, if not the most popular social media site that has access to a lot of different online communities. As a hiring manager, all you have to do is type the right keyword within the search bar, like virtual assistant, and wait for the results. From there, just select the group or groups you'd like to join where you think you'll be able to recruit your VA. Once you're accepted in the group, just post what type of VA you're looking for, as well as your qualifications, then just wait for comments from the other members. Next are online job portals. Apart from online communities such as Facebook groups, you could also hire VAs through online job portals. If you're hiring a Filipino VA, then you can create an account in websites such as onlinejobs.ph. Post what type of VA you're looking for, as well as your qualifications. Just like online communities, there are also a lot of online job portals. It's just a matter of searching using the right keywords. You could also check sites like Fiverr for project-based contracts if you're looking to get assistance with a one-time project in your business. Lastly, you could also look up Upwork to check for long-term, short-term, and project-based VAs that you could hire. Last but not the least are third-party VA recruitment services. If you're the busy type of e-commerce business owner and don't have the time to source and hire a VA, then getting in touch with VA recruitment services is your best option. There are numerous agencies who offer to source, hire, train, and deploy a VA for you. All you have to do is pay the necessary fee and they will do all the work. You'll just have to sit and wait for the fully equipped and well-trained VA to be deployed to your biz. As a tip, make sure to do your due diligence of checking the company's background first before doing business with them. With Global VA Solutions, you can be sure that they are one of the best VA recruitment services out there. For several years now, they have helped e-commerce business owners source, hire, onboard, and train virtual assistants. They make sure that the VA is fully equipped and trained before deploying the VA to their clients. Apart from that, they also make sure that the virtual assistants that they hire are also well taken care of before they are deployed to their respective clients. They believe that caring and training their VAs before deploying them would make a great impact with their performance once they start working for their new clients. If you're keen to learn more, right now they offer a free initial consultation call by using the link within the description box. Hiring a virtual assistant is an exciting stage for any e-commerce business owner. It's just a matter of identifying what type of VA you need and where and how you plan to hire them. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye!